Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Suchandra Day and today we are going to explore one of the most fascinating travelogues from class 12 English, Journey to the End of the Earth by Tishani Joshi. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever imagined visiting Antarctica, the coldest continent on Earth? Today, through this chapter, we will travel there together. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Antarctica? Let us first know about the author. Tishani Doshi is a contemporary Indian writer, poet, and journalist. She is known for her powerful writing style and deep observations. Her works often explore themes like nature, identity, humanity, and environmental concerns. In this chapter, she combines travel writing with ecological awareness. Can anyone tell me what is contemporary writer mean? Yes, someone who belongs to the present time. This chapter is actually a travelogue. A travelogue is a piece of writing based on the author's travel experiences. In this lesson, Tishani Doshi narrates her journey to Antarctica and uses it as a platform to discuss Earth's history, climate change, and environmental issues. Why do you think the author chose Antarctica to discuss climate change? Think about it. The journey begins from Chennai. Imagine traveling across 9 time zones, 3 water bodies, and multiple ecosystems before reaching Antarctica. This itself shows how remote and inaccessible Antarctica is. Antarctica is not an easy tourist destination. Reaching there requires preparation, endurance, and determination. Would you be willing to travel to this far to see Antarctica? Yes or no? When the author first sees Antarctica, she is overwhelmed by its beauty. She describes it as a vast, white landscape filled with silence, isolation, and purity. It feels almost untouched by human civilization. The silence here is not empty, it is peaceful and powerful. How would you feel standing in complete silence, surrounded only by snow? Now comes the significant importance of Antarctica. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was part of the supercontinent Gondwana. Gondwana included India, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. This helps scientists study continental drift, evolution, and Earth's geographical history. What was the name of the ancient supercontinent? Give your answer in the comment box. Antarctica is called a time capsule. Why? Because its ice preserves carbon records, climatic history, and evidence from millions of years ago. Scientists study ice cores to understand climate patterns and atmospheric changes. So Antarctica is not just ice, it is a natural history book. This is the most important message of the chapter. Human activities like burning fossil fuels release carbon emissions which cause global warming. As temperatures rise, Antarctic ice melts, sea levels rise, and the global climate balance is disturbed. What are some human activities causing global warming? Comment below. The author mentions the Students of Ice program. This initiative takes young students to Antarctica to develop environmental awareness. The message is simple. Today's youth are tomorrow's policy makers. Awareness creates responsibility, and responsibility creates change. In the first half of the chapter, the author narrates her journey to Antarctica with students and describes the continent's unique beauty and isolation. What were her first impressions of Antarctica? Yes, the answer is vast, wide, silent and isolated. In the second part, the focus shifts from travel to reflection. Antarctica becomes a symbol of Earth's past and future. The continent warns humanity about environmental destruction. Let us discuss the major themes of the chapter. First, climate change. The chapter highlights how Antarctica serves as a warning signal for the Earth. Scientists study its ice sheets and glaciers to understand changes in the climate. Rising temperatures can melt ice, increase sea levels, and affect weather patterns across the world. Antarctica acts like a giant thermometer for the planet. Changes occurring there help scientists predict the future of Earth's climate. Second, important human impact on nature. The chapter shows how human activities such as industrialization, pollution, and excessive use of fossil fuels have disturbed the natural balance of the Earth. These actions contribute to global warming and environmental degradation. Next is interconnectedness of life. One of the most important ideas in the chapter is that all living things and natural systems are connected. Everything on Earth is interconnected. A small change in Antarctica can affect the whole planet. This means that no part of the Earth functions in isolation. And the next is importance of history. The chapter emphasizes that Antarctica preserves evidence of Earth's past by studying ice cores and geological records. Scientists learn about ancient climates and environmental changes. Understanding the past helps us make informed decisions for the future. Antarctica is like a natural history book that reveals how the Earth has evolved over millions of years. So, what do we learn from this chapter? First, protect the environment, respect nature, stay informed about global issues, learn from history. Which value do you think is most important today? This chapter is not just travel writing, it is travel writing with a purpose. The author cleverly uses personal experience to raise global awareness. This makes the lesson informative, reflective, and thought-provoking. The message is clear. Earth is fragile. Human actions have consequences. If we do not act now, climate change will become irreversible. This journey is not just physical, it is intellectual and emotional. It teaches us that the future of our planet depends on our present choices. Here I leave you with this beautiful thought. Take care of the earth, and she will take care of you. If you found this explanation helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Suchandra Dey signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.